us as a research unit, we also have to provide compelling arguments as to why advertisers should be using ESPN. So we have BAR, we have TGI, we have ad hoc surveys we do ourselves. With all these different data sources comes the difficulties of how do we store this information, how do we disseminate this information.
Well, the types of research that we're looking for and our clients are looking for tend to be the reach that the programmes deliver, the size of audience, the peak audience that we do, the different demographics and how they perform.
We initially wanted to train the different departments up on being able to use the Barb software, the Choices software. They weren't necessarily finding the correct information and using that information wisely.
A lot of the time previously it would be a case of speaking to the research team, speaking to them and seeing what they could pull off for us. It was difficult and time consuming for them to pull off these numbers, especially looking at each individual sport because we do a lot of different sports. It's something that has made our lives easier. It's probably also made our research teams easier that we don't have to go and pester them for these numbers. Big properties, like I touched upon, the Premier League, the FA Cup, they're all in there. Every game, every match, everything we've shown. So we have every little bit of analysis that we need there.
We do have on average about 140 visits every month to the dashboard from non-research people, so it is being used on a regular basis. What's great is that the user numbers have gone up and they haven't been decreasing as time has gone by, which you can see with other research tools and with other research studies where people kind of lose interest. And they also like the fact that it is flexible and that we can add things to it if they put forward a reason as to why we need to add a certain measure or how it will help them. Because of the success in Europe of the dashboard, we were having people from the States and Latin America saying, well, can we have one too? So we've been adding on Latin America data and recently Australia data as well. The portal really takes that pressure away from the research team to do those small, kind of endless data runs, which I think does bog down other research teams. What we can do now really is dedicate our time to more important areas of the business.